dinner soon. You want some dinner with me? Want some cauliflower? Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna heat up some cauliflower for us, okay? Cool. Nom 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 nom. Let's have some dinner. Mine has cheese and butter, and yours is a little hot, baby. You have to wait a minute. It's a little hot. It's so hot, you have to wait. Yeah, we're gonna have our dinner. You ready? Check this out. She's gonna have dinner with me. She's a little messier than I am. But this is at the end of 2 months and we share our meals together. Well, breakfast we don't because I'm usually running around. Is that good, baby? Look at how messy she's eating. Is that the lovey-dovey? Can I get you more? Although I should take her example and just have mashed cauliflower. Is that good, baby? Not very good at eating left-handed, but it's worth it. I got cauliflower in my coffee. Is that good? Yeah, baby. So we do this when I have mixed vegetables, don't we? Or any of my vegetables. If she shares the meal with me, she'll eat them. If I put it in her dish, she won't eat them. And I don't mind sharing my table with you. John might have another problem with it. Hi, baby. Good. So she still might not step up and want to walk around the house with me yet. But I got her off of, I can't say it, PISTACHIOS. And we have them only as our trick treat. And by trick, I mean let's step up on me without eating me. Huh. It's just so cute. Is your third spoonful or fourth? You only have one left. That's separate from mine. Mine has dairy in it. Mine has butter and Parmesan cheese, which I'm sure she would love, but I don't think that's that good for her. Probably not that good for me either. Is that good? I think I have a whole spoonful just on the table that she dropped. I love sharing my dinner with Sophie. all the time, and you're so messy. You're so messy. So I want to do an update at the end of every month to show the progress that Sophie and I are making. So I was going to do different tricks. I figured since it was dinner time and we started sharing our dinner, I would share this with you and just let you know that she's not really stepping up on me, but we are started target training, and she'll touch the end of the stick and go wherever I have the stick to get her P-I-S-T-A-C-H-I-O-S. Although she could probably spell just fine. Almost done. Let me see if I can repurpose some of this. There we go. This is good, isn't it? I love my business. Look at her little tongue coming out. Oh my gosh, I love you to see this. Now I'm making a mess. Okay, we're all done? All done. Yay! That was so good, baby. Thank you for joining me for dinner. As you can see, I made this little walkway for her with just a little ladder and a quilt rack. I gotta teach you how to clean up. Thanks for joining us for dinner, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, everybody, it's Susie Q. Hey, everybody, it's Susie Q. Na, hey, everybody, it's Susie Q. So come along with me. Said I'm Susie Q.